And welcome back to my new video. In this video I'll be sharing about how to create personal WhatsApp stickers. So without wasting any time, let us go straight to the point. So before starting over and showing to you how the steps are done, let me tell you that for this we need two applications. The first one is the background eraser. The background eraser application is used to remove the background of any undesired or unwanted the uh, pictures. And the second one is, for making the stickers we need an application that is a personal sticker for WhatsApp. I have given the links for both the applications below the description, and please do watch till the end of the video to know the steps. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and share. So let me show you first about the WhatsApp. The present stickers that I have newly created, and that is already there in a new WhatsApp update. So let me show you. Suppose this is the one, and then let me show you one detail. Let me to go one of the content. Let me go here. Then as you can see, these are the emojis, and this one is a sticker. So these are the stickers that I have recently created. These are the ones, and these are the new WhatsApp update stickers. As you can see here, these are the three that I have downloaded. You can download it from this place. You can get it new stickers, and if you want more, you can go to the Play Store and get more stickers if you want it. Okay, now let us go back straight to home and show you. For this we need two apps, that is the background eraser and also the personal sticker for WhatsApp. Okay, so let us first go to the background eraser, that is here. Then after that we have to load a photo, so we shall choose one of this, click this one, and then let us randomly choose one photo, that is this one. Okay, after that, if you want to crop it, you can crop it. If you don't want to, it's your wish. So after cropping it, you click on the done button. Then here there are three options, that is auto, magic, manual, and also repair. So these three, auto, magic, and manual, are used for removing the background. So let me just use it magic, that is more easier. So this is the way that I remove. See, I'm just doing roughly. Okay, so I've not done it properly. You can do it properly. And also, if in case you want to get it back, suppose, see, I've done like this. So these are the extra that I have removed. Therefore, in order to get back that one, you can use the repair stick and then you do it again, you see. So that way you can get back the image. The details is not lost. After that, you click on the done button. Then you have to smoothen it, the edges, because it won't look that good. So in order to blur, you can change the number. Here is it. Then after that, you save it. After saving, you can finish it. Then let us go back home. Then you see here the personal stickers. These are the personal stickers that I can have. So I've already added, and here is the sticker that is been saved. So that is this one. So these are the two. I have already created one, but another one I've shown it to you. This is the one. Now let us go back straight to WhatsApp. Then here you can see there will be two of such stickers that I have created. Yes, you can see here. I think this is only one. There is only one. Yeah. See, there is no internet right now. So let me just delete this one. Okay. I think there is no internet. That is why let me turn on the internet and check it once again. Okay. So I think it is back. I think. Let us see. Yeah, it is back. You can see here. I can send it to him. But before sending it to him, let me just delete it. And that's all. Okay, so that was all about how to create your personal WhatsApp stickers. And also I forgot to mention one thing, that is you must make at least 3 stickers to get that feature. And lastly, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.